Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iPhone model and the exact iOS version. This matters because only specific IPSWA files match hardware. Next, back up now to Finder or iCloud so you can restore data later. Once done, download the IPSWA for the target iOS build and verify Apple is still signing it, because if Apple stopped signing that version, you cannot perform a standard downgrade. You now connect the iPhone to a computer running the latest Finder or iTunes. This ensures compatibility. Put the device into recovery or DFU mode. DFU is lower level and needed for deeper restores. Then, in Finder or iTunes, hold Option on Mac or Shift on Windows and click Restore to select the IPSWA file. This forces an install of the chosen build. Expect multiple reboots while the system writes for. Once the install completes, set up your device from the backup you made and confirm apps, accounts, and settings restored correctly. If the process fails, make sure the IPSWA hash matches the source, swap USB cables or ports, try another computer, and temporarily disable security software that can block communication. If Apple stopped signing the target iOS, you cannot downgrade via standard methods. In that case, wait for updates, restore to the newest signed version, or contact Apple for guidance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.